Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete an NFT on OpenSea. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up your OpenSea account by going ahead to a web browser and typing in OpenSea.io and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of OpenSea. Make sure that you log into your account. OpenSea allows you to create an NFT collection. If you've created a collection and you'd like to get rid of them by deleting one of the NFT that you've added, then follow the steps. Go ahead and click on your profile icon at the upper right-hand corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Click on My Collections and you'll end up in your NFT page. Click on your NFT that you'd like to edit or delete. Now all of that foot collections that you own will be listed over here. Let me select one of the NFTs over here. This is where you can easily edit or sell your NFT. If you want to delete it from your collection, simply tap on the edit button at the top right, scroll all the way down and finally click on delete item at the lower right hand corner. Confirm your deletion by clicking on delete item. Once you make this change, simply refresh your screen and you'll be able to see that your NFT has been deleted on OpenSea. That is how you can easily delete an NFT on OpenSea with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.